Experience driving perfection in the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and cruise control. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.